Dun 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 dun. You guys get me humming the theme because copyright, YouTube, silly stuff.
RBG Studios.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna have a good day. So come along with us and you know, choose positivity over that negativity, guys. It's all about that mindset, guys. Merch available. Don't forget about that. You know what I'm saying? Support the channel and all that good stuff. But come along, guys. It's gonna be a good day. All right, let's do it. Come on.
There's some water.
Come on.
You wearing your sunglasses? Look at you. Look at you.
Boo at the zoo. Look at all the pumpkins. Hi, Dutch. Look at Daddy. Looky, got a shark. Whoa, that's a big shark, huh? Yeah, it's just a big boy, a big shark. Got some big T-bers in there, huh? Yeah, a big boy. Yeah, big boy. Yeah, is that shark too? Are they buddies? Are they buddies? Are you talking to them? Yeah. Yeah, taking it all in, huh? We got a big squid over there, another shark up there, and a big shark right there. Whoa. Yeah, baby shark, huh? Are they buddies? Yeah. There's more cool stuff to see. We'll go see monkeys and stuff, man. Let's go. The times, oh, they have changed a lot, because you gotta wear your masks indoors when robbers wear masks and you used to not be allowed to wear masks, and now you can't wear masks. And who knows what's gonna go down? Yeah. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. That is our monkey. I will proudly accept this child. That's our monkey. It's not in there. Nobody's home. Nobody's home.
Oh, they're sleeping. They might be sleeping. What? They were up there sleeping.
Here goes my little monkey, just climbing all over things. Yeah.
What's that monkey say?
Let's go see some real monkeys, you little monkey. Hey, no. You better sit your tushy down. So the benches are full. Some big monkeys. You say hi. Hi, monkey. Wave at the monkey. Hi, monkey. Is that big monkey?
He's like, all right, I'm ready. Whee!
That's big monkey.
What do you think?
Zebras? Zebras? Little zebras? Whoa! They got stripes on them. Hey, get a good look at this, man. Some wild ass out there. Found the jackpot, man. Got me some tail. Woo!
Look at your camels.
Yeah.
Say tinky booties. Can you say tinky booties?
Is it hump day?
Oh my God.
No, it's just Monday.
Yeah.
Hey, Sarah.
What?
Who would have known I would have found Zoa in the Zooa? Dad jokes, not sponsored by, affiliated with, but you know, Zoa will take that sponsorship any day now because it's some good, healthy, positive energy right here. Not that I need any more of it, but been here about 2.5 hours. He's done. He's done. He's all tuckered out. I wish I could take a nap. I'm jealous. That looks nice. Have you push me around the rest of the day?
Yeah, okay.
Dun 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 dun. You guys get me humming the theme because copyright, YouTube, silly stuff. Is he growling back at you?
So cute. Oh my gosh. Brian, I'm gonna still drink your water.
You want to walk with Daddy to go see him? Come on. Daddy's here. And come with me?
He's like,
No? You don't want to go?
I don't hear it.
Whoa, Dutch.
He's like, I don't know if I want to get that close, Dad. It's cool and all.
Look. Whoa. Oh. That cool? He's like keeping his eye on it. Girl back at him, go rawr. He's really keeping his eyes on that.
He's a plant eater. He eats these big old leaves. Isn't that cool?
Oh. Where are you going?
There's a stegosaurus up there.
It sounds like Chewbacca.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Oh, look at there. Go rah. Rah. Oh, okay. You don't like being that close, huh? He's like, I like them better when they're tiny and in toys and I can fit them in my hand. Yeah, you tell them, dinosaurs. Well, in times of COVID and diseases, oh my goodness. I can't Germ-X my hands. How am I supposed to stay COVID safe up in this bee? What do you think of those dinosaurs? They're baby dinosaurs. He doesn't know what to think about real dinosaurs. Life-size dinosaurs. He's like, I don't know about all this. He's in a trance. Look at him. Whoa. I saw this little thing from the distance and I said, Sarah, what is this thing? She said, that's a pterodactyl. I said, no way they were that big. She said, yep. That's scary, man. They come fly, pick you up, take you away. Better watch out for Dutch. That pterodactyl can fly down, pick them up, and take them, and put them right there in the nest for all the little babies to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Ow. That's a big boy, huh? That's a big one. So I guess this is like the life size, how big they were, so. Woo! Could you imagine walking around just seeing that bad boy out, just like, no, and you're just like, who's that? You know what I mean? Like, oh boy. And then they come get you. He's like, whatever. Fishy. Watch out. He's spitter. We got spitter. Woo! I mean, come on, say it. Don't spray it. Jeez. What about this big guy? Do you see him over the trees? He's already spotted the T-Rex. He's got his head poking out the trees. That's how tall he is. I think there's Triceratops.
That's Mommy's favorite.
Okay, check him out. Yeah, he said, man.
Oh, he's big. Ah. I'm like, I don't know about that jazz. Doing good. Oh, I think we're done. I think we're done.
I'm done. Sit your little behind down now. You don't get on the table, mister. Mommy got you now. You in trouble? Ooh, you in trouble. Ooh.